If you want to make money online, then you need to watch this video all the way to the end, because in this video, I'll show you top 5 affiliate programs to join worldwide. Alright, so first I would like to talk about Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. It has every product that you can think of. So when you are promoting Amazon products, your chance of making money is really high. But first of all, let me show you the rate. At the making of this video, these are the fixed standard commission income rate for specific products. So let's say for Amazon games, which is really good, okay? So if you are into gaming and you have a gaming channel or a gaming social media account, you can sign up and just grab one of the affiliate programs and drop it under your site or your social media account. And by the way, I have a tutorial on how to create Amazon affiliate account, so I will show you quick. So Amazon, Alright, so this is it, how to sign up Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program, and also they call it Amazon Associates. Alright, so this is the tutorial I have on it. You can watch it and just sign up. But let's go back to the rates. Luxury stores, beauty, and Amazon Explorer 10%. So the rates keep dropping depending on the niche or the specific product you want to promote. You have physical books and automation. Alright, so the list goes on. I don't want to go through all of them. Let's say, for instance, you see this gift card, wireless service plans, and alcoholic beverages, all these things. Now you see how it says 0%, but guess what? When someone, let's say you are promoting a gift card, okay, and someone click on your link from your social media account and land on this page, and at the end they decide not to grab the gift card or the wireless service plan and stuff like that, and they end up buying something else. So let's say, for instance, they end up buying this product, which is iRobot Rambot. You get whatever percentage is associated to this product. How to sign up? Say Amazon Affiliate Program, then click on here, click sign up, create a new account and all that, okay? But like I said, I have a tutorial on it so you can watch it. Moving on, the second affiliate program I would like to show you is Share a Sale. This is an affiliate program that helps you make money. It's so easy to make money with this affiliate network. The number one thing I promote under this network is Filmora video editor, and I have other products like Weebly website builder and Namecheap domain. I focus more on Filmora because the rate is really high and the conversion rate is really good. To join the affiliate, you're gonna click on affiliates. To sign up, just hover over the sign up on your right, then sign up as an affiliate. So when you click on it, alright, so create username, create a password, confirm, and your country. Alright, where is my country? Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. This is just basic requirement. Alright, so if you want to join the merchant, you're going to click on search merchant and you're going to go through. There are so many products. If not, you can go according to the categories. Alright, then you choose what you want. Trust me, this is really good. So I advise you to sign up if you haven't. Okay, so moving on. Alright, so next is the CPAGrip affiliate network. This you don't require. This is the best affiliate network you can join. You don't need anything, just your email address, your social media account, then you are good to go. So I'll log in and I'll show you quick. By the way, if you want to create an account, I have tutorial on it. So right from here, CPAGrip account, how to promote product and stuff like that. Okay, so you don't have to worry about how to use it. All right, so when you log in, this is how it's gonna look like. Offer tools, okay, my offers. All right, so then you go through all the offers. At the moment, this product is doing good and the commission payout is $2.57. Now, one thing you have to realize is you don't need to sell anything. All you need is for people to click on this and go to the website and you earn a commission. Okay, so this is the easiest way to make money online. Okay, so don't forget to check out the tutorials. All right, so moving on, Digistore 24. All right, this is a German affiliate network, but they have branches, and this is one of the best compared to ClickBank affiliate marketing program. This one is the easiest because with ClickBank you have to be in a specific country before you can qualify, but with this you don't have to. Like, they accept everybody irrespective of your country, and I have a tutorial on this as well. Let me show you quick. All right, so this is it, how to create a Digistore 24 account, how to promote this product. Like, I have a bunch of videos on it. All right, so, or even when you go to my playlist, you can check them out. All right, so let's go back to it. So when you log in into your account, you just have to go to the marketplace. Okay, then you're gonna search for the product, and they always list the best performing product. So let's say if you log in, you're gonna click promote, and you're gonna copy the affiliate link, and you're gonna embed it on your social media website, or you're gonna promote it anyhow you want. Okay, but if you want to learn how to promote these products, I have tutorials on it. Don't worry about it, you can check it out. And so they have a bunch of niches: animal and pets, they have business, investment, they have email marketing, like a whole bunch, dating and stuff like that. So all right, so that's the fourth one I wanted to show you. And the last but not least is the website builders affiliate programs. And for instance, this is the Builder All Network and DV Elegant Themes. So I'll show you the difference between these two and the reason why I like these two products. So first of all, this is a website builder, and you can use it to create website, to run email marketing campaigns, to create landing pages, to create your stores. All right, so it's really good, and they host your domain and everything. So let's say if someone sign up to this product like premium, or let's say even this one, for instance, $76.90, I'll earn 30% commission on this. And this is not one time, this is recurring commission, meaning as long as the person is using the program, every month when they make their payment of this, I'll earn 30% on it. But with this one, the commission rate is also good. So let's say say the DV, for instance, they have different products, but I'll use the DV as an example. So let's check the DV pricing. Scroll down. So as you can tell, they have yearly access, $70 a year, and they have $199 one-time payment. So if you are someone who likes to create website on WordPress, you need a theme to make it look beautiful and functions and custom elements and features. Okay, this is where Divi comes in, and we have other competitors like Elementor. But let me show you, for example, like my website Blogstone. So when you look at my website, for instance, the beauty of this website is because of Divi, and I have a review here too. So this is what Divi does. Like, it helps you to shape your website to look really nice according to the way you want it. So this is why a lot of website designers use Divi Elegant Theme. All right, so this is one product I would advise you to look into. All right, and you don't need to be an affiliate guru or something, or online marketing guru. You can just sign up. To sign up, you just scroll down and you look for affiliate program. Okay, then become an affiliate, then you're gonna join. Okay, so yeah, okay, so when you come to the URL, you can use your social media account. Okay, so don't freak out, you can use your social media account. And as you can tell, like I told you earlier, on 50% commission, this is the best. All right, so these are my top 5 affiliate marketing networks to join worldwide. Okay, so I hope you've learned one or two and you've taken something out of this. I'll put the links in the description box. Just check them out and create an account. I wish you all the best. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. All right, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.